All right, bourgeois relatives. I am Chinoden, and you are back with another episode of Follow That Flow. And today we have some articles for you. Been searching for more, so here I got one from Goldcore. Silver. Oh wait, before I get going, I need to remember this. Excuse me. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit that notification button. That is that little bell next to the subscribe button as well. That'll let you know when I make a new video, and it'll give you a notification. Also, hit that like button. It's good karma. Um, got all the links in the description. I got some videos here, podcasts. Excuse me, and a few other links. Got my personal stuff for where you can reach me at on social media: Facebook, Gab, Twitter, Patreon, whatnot. Um, I also have links to some of the RevShare, some of the programs I am linked up with, and I know I had. I don't know about that. I showed you guys that startminer.com. I'm not sure. I was doing the free one, and I was building up my account, right, letting it build up so I could buy the next level, and then all of a sudden, I had zero the next day when I went in to put my address in. So I don't know about that one. That's kind of like I said. I didn't do much research on it. I just watched a couple videos on it. Actually, just one or something. I don't know. Should have did more research. That's okay. Sorry I misled you guys on that. I call myself out. So here, let's go. Silver investment case remains compelling. Silver investment case remains very compelling. Are we near a turning point in silver's relentless decline? Avert your eyes. This is one ugly silver chart. Gold silver ratio at 75 shows real value of silver. Mining CEO explains why silver could reach $136.67. Buy silver low, sell high. The silver price has been in sharp decline for 3 weeks, and silver prices have fallen from 1861 on April 16th to 1620 an ounce today. Yeah, it's a pretty sharp fall. um, if you're going to sell off some silver, I would recommend not selling all of it off. Like, I'd recommend holding on to a bunch of it, actually. That, just in case that dollar does start to make its descent really hard. You have some kind of purchasing power here, physical silver, especially U.S. Mint Eagles or something of the like. So yeah, I think that's a good idea to hold on to some of that silver. And there's a lot of big news coming out of Iraq. Currency 365 has been talking about this morning. They just got an industrial area or something. I didn't get a chance to fully look at all the stuff what's there. I just kind of seen it passing by. I was getting, I don't know, I had to deal some stuff this morning on whatever. Anyways, so yeah, let's go. However, every cloud has a silver lining, and for Dominic Frisby, writing in Money Week, silver is the silver lining, and the silver investment case remains compelling. So you can see what it's been doing here for the last 6 months. Yeah, I remember in July when it jumped up, and then I ended up buying something down here, and then jumped up, and then jumped down, and then I was like, oh man, I should have waited a little bit longer. And then I should have waited a little bit longer, but now it's climbing back up. It dropped, it's climbing back up, and it dropped way back down. So when we see this type of activity, it's kind of, I don't know, it's indicating something, right? Um, Silver and USD 12 months. Many many concur with Frisbee, including the CEO of one of the largest silver mining companies in the world, who believes silver could reach as high as the very exact figure of $136.67 an ounce, as pointed out by Sovereign Man. We agree and believe investors and silver stackers alike will again be well served by dollar, pound, and euro cost averaging into a silver investment, accumulating silver coins and bars on this latest artificial manipulative futures price dip. So there's that. Over from Silver Doctors, they're showing silver at 1623 and gold at 1221.81. Wowee. A sovereign is after physical silver. Looks like the COMEX is being raided. Harvey Organ. For 6 consecutive days, the amount standing for physical has risen. On first day notice, 16.8 million ounces were standing. Tonight, 21.5 million ounces. It sure looks like a sovereign is after physical silver, and the COMEX is the place being raided. For 6 straight days, the amount of silver ounces standing for delivery increased. First day notice started at 16.8 million ounces. Today, 21.5 million ounces. China's economy is slowing down dramatically. Oil drops back into the $45 column for WTI. Chaos intensifies in Venezuela. Many army officials are joining the protesters. So, there's the open. So it's a few cents down from when it opened right now. China Gold Fix. Yeah. There's all that good stuff. That's a lot of stuff to go through. So I'll just go through. COMEX Gold May. Notices filings today for April contract month. 15 notices for 1,500 ounces. Total notices so far 374 for 37,400 ounces. That's 1.1632 tons. For silver, May, 99 notices filed today for 495,000 ounces. Total number of notices filed so far this month, 4,107 for 20,535,000 ounces. In silver, the total open interest surprisingly rose by 1,778 contracts, up to 190,305, despite the slight rise in price that silver took with respect to yesterday's trading, up only 4 cents. In ounces, the OI is still represented by just under 1 billion ounces, i.e., 0.951 billion to be exact, or 136% of annual global silver production ex-Russia and ex-China. For the new front May month, they filed 99 notices for 495,000 ounces of silver. In gold, the total COMEX gold fell by a monstrous 15,183 contracts, despite the slight rise in the price of gold, 10% with Friday's trading. Oh, this was from yesterday. So yeah, this is from yesterday. I didn't check that. I don't know if there's one for today. Anyways, there's that. I have a video here for you, and then another video that says David Stockman warns this is the biggest bond bubble ever. Buy gold, buy silver, buy Bitcoin. Former White House Budget Director David Stockman is sounding the alarm. The main thing is getting out of the markets. These markets are unstable, they're rigged, and there's no reason to own stock at this point of the game. The Fed has finally run out of dry powder. They are out of the bond buying business. They are even talking about the initiation of the shrinkage of their balance sheet. The central banks are finally getting to the end of the road. There isn't going to be any more money printing, and that is going to leave a giant mess on the doorstep of all fiscal authorities. It's going to make the bond market a particularly dangerous place. There's a 100 trillion global bond market, and this is the biggest bond bubble the world has ever seen. Get out of the stock market, get out of the bond market, and buy some gold. That's what I'm saying. So I will put this video in the description as well as the other one. Let's see. Bitcoin was at 12 or 1755.46. Now it's at 59.08. Very cool. Ethereum went back down to 87.20, and Litecoin is back down to 28.39. Very cool. Okay. All right, and then I have one more that's not really anything to do with. Oh, yeah, like I said, I have a podcast that I got to listen to. I'll put that in there. But this isn't anything to do with financial information. It's just another. This is the one that the site that I've been talking about yesterday. It says Gab's mission is to put people and free speech first. All are welcome on Gab, and always will be. Okay. Gab is now out of beta testing with open registration. On August 15th, 2016, Gab launched into invite-only beta testing. This would begin our 9-month journey to building a community unlike any other on the internet. In the wake of increasing censorship and single-sided bias from big social, Gab has been has been the shining light of hope for free expression and speech online. We are committed to building a people-first community. Due to our commitment of free speech and individual liberty, we've been through the ringer with the fake news media. These political activists, opinion bloggers who call themselves journalists have attempted to destroy our community many times over. In turn, they have only fueled our growth. We've also been fighting back against incredibly disgusting double standards from Apple, who does not support free speech and expression. Apple refused to approve Gab's iOS app since December 2016 because Gab has objectionable content, whatever that means. Our battle with Apple has gone on for so long that it reached the very top of their executive team. Here's what at P.S. Schiller, Senior VP at Apple, had to say about Gab's iOS app rejection, designed to promote racism, porn, hate, and Twitter. I think there's supposed to be an image there, but right here. Okay, hold on. Gab is a social network with a mission to empower individuals with the tools they need to create and shape their own experience. We believe human beings are born of reason, of free mind, and of sound cognition. We refuse to infantilize our users and treat them as juveniles like other social networking sites do. We are committed to free speech and expression, period. I guess this is just showing the site. Gab is the only social network that is 100% supported by the community, not by advertisers or venture capitalists. In under 9 months, 170,000 Gabbers have 7.6 million posts and raised $145,000 to help us expand our team and cover operational expenses. Make no mistake about it. We are the people's underdog in the multi-billion-dollar social networking landscape. With our small, humble team and limited resources, here's what we've been able to build over the past 9 months. Native image sharing is now live for all Gabbers. Quote replies allow Gabbers to respond with GIFs, links, and images. A new profile design to discover and explore. Private chat rooms for up to 25 people. Gab TV, our live streaming video product. Live topic categories with breaking news and conversation starter topics. Create user lists of your favorite Gabbers. Bookmark your favorite Gabs to save for later. Gab's Android app is in the Google Play Store. Gab has always and will always be powered by you, the people. Gab is not just a social network, it's a social movement. In March, we introduce a premium version of the product called Gab Pro to help us power this movement and take it to new heights. Gab Pro helps us keep Gab ad-free and operational for hundreds of thousands of people around the world. With an optional upgrade to Gab Pro, you'll unlock additional features and tools to enhance your Gab experience and help make Gab possible for everyone. Gab Pro is $5.99 a month or $59.99 a year. Gab will always be free to use, and Gab Pro, is 100% optional. If you haven't been on Gab lately, now is a great time to come back and check out what we've been working on. Premium features. Create lists, get verified, category insights, provide group chats, save posts, go live. So, you can create an account on Gab for free right now by clicking here. Again, I have my Gab, the link to my Gab profile in the description of this video. So, building a people, this is us building a people first community, a response to everyone who's financially breaking, blah blah. So it's got stuff that you can go read. And yeah, it's like Twitter. Pretty much like Twitter, but I don't know, it doesn't censor anybody. I've noticed that, yeah. So that should be it. Let's take a look at what am I doing here? So this is where I'm at. I'm waiting for another ad pack to come. This, like I said, I had to deal with cancellation of I had to work on a cancellation and coin payment because I accidentally sent the wrong amount to request buy ad pack. So I got another one coming, but cash links clicked. Total ad pack earnings so far. So the total earnings, I've pretty much made back my seed money more than, because Bitcoin's been rising. Earning balance is looking good. So, like I said, you just want to withdraw this, and withdrawals are now open. Apparently they were open last night, and I got a pretty sweet withdrawal last night. So, yeah, man. My paying crypto ads. If you're a content creator, if you're a YouTuber, this is a great tool because you can go up here and you can go to promo tools, promotional banners, and this will have your it'll have the code for it'll have a code for a banner, and it'll bring you right to your referral link that you can display on any of your web pages or any of your social media or whatever. You can just place that code, and it'll show a banner wherever you place it, and that if somebody clicks that banner, it'll go straight to your referral link. Or like, say this is the main page. Now, when you click the referral link, like say let's go to one of my videos. and I changed. I did some stuff here. If you go to my webpage, you'll have Gab, Google, my Google Play, or my Google Plus or whatever, MPCA, Coinbase, MPA, and Patreon. And so this is a video I just did last night. So I got 6 views. What was I doing? Yeah, oh yeah. So just like if you go here, there's all the links in the description. Some sort of revenue. So there's a way for anybody who's got. You just gotta look for it, and you gotta put some donation. You gotta have wallets here. The courage to jump. And to take that start miner out. Eric Sprott warns of major sell-off in gold. All the videos and links. Before I move on to the rest of the article, here it is. Check out for yourself. So, silver 1634. Sometimes, a lot of times, I do different stuff than what I have in the video. Sometimes I'll put stuff that I have in the video. I don't know. That's crazy. So. All right. So if you're new, please subscribe. Where is it? Anyways, as billionaire Eric Sprott points out in this must-watch interview with SGT Report. I'm just going to show you something real quick. Let me view as a returning subscriber. Oh, well, new visitor, actually. That's what we want to do. Okay, view as a new visitor. So we're going to do that. Now, when you watch one of my videos, you can go subscribe up here and it'll have a bell. Or if you watch one of these videos, dang it, D report. Well, down here you should have the subscribe. The reason behind the down move is actually the opposite of what you may think. Yeah, the reason I got comments disabled on the video, so if you want to go on my Facebook page, find the video on my Facebook page, and comment. Or I have a group called The Bigger Picture. If you want to join that group, go ahead, join that group, The Bigger Picture. I should actually just I'll put a comment, or I'll put a link in the description down here to The Bigger Picture. It's been a little bit since I posted in there, so I'll start posting in there daily again. So, all right. Well, you guys have a fantastic day. Make sure to check out the videos. Make sure to check out Currency 365 for cryptocurrencies. Make sure to check out Mike from Cryptocurrency Investing. Yeah, I think that should be it. All right. I love you guys. Have a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you later. Peace.